I thought that I've been hurt before, but no one's ever left me quite this sore. Your words cut deeper than a knife. Now I got a feeling that I'm going under, but I know that I'll make it out alive if I quit calling you my lover. Move on. You watch me bleed until I can't breathe, shaking, falling onto my knees.
Hey guys, welcome back to our video. I'm Haya and I'm Leia. This is our first vlog ever. Today we're going to Ikea. We're just in the car right now listening to songs. We're going to eat some lunch and then we'll have fun. So yeah.
Got a feeling that I'm going out alive if I quit calling you my lover.
Move on. You watch me bleed until I can't breathe.
Dead needle in the thread, gonna wind up dead. Gonna needle in the thread, gotta get you out.
I don't know the lyrics of the song. Adidas, put some weight butter on the pressure. I was talking to my friend.
Now it's time to make a little cash and invest it. Independent girl, you better respect.
So we just parked our car in the parking.
Yeah, we're just in the parking.
Ikea, and we're going to eat lunch. Yay!
So let's go to eat some lunch.
So we're just at home playing PlayStation. We just moved into our new home. Did you actually believe it? We're actually in Ikea because Ikea has like some really nice furniture.
And we're in Ikea, guys. Oh my god, look how I'm cute.
Oh my god, it's so
Ikea
nice.
is the best.
So we just sat and here. Oh my god. So we are just eating chicken and potato and some corn because we couldn't really find anything, but it's going to be yummy. This food is so good. It's like yummy. And I bought some Miranda and I brought some 7-Up, and we have even corn in a cup.
So we just finished lunch, and I'm just drinking some Miranda. So yeah. So I don't know what I'm doing, but look how high we are. Like, oh my god, do you see how high we are? So yeah, I'm just drinking some Miranda, as I said. Wait, and here's my sister.
Oh, hello.
Okay, I'll not embarrass you. I'll give you a pineapple.
So like, I'm really full right now. Oh my god. Oh.
Guys, I know it's dark on my face, but look at the view.
I really told them.
Really?
Yeah, it's so hot. It's like I wear a shadow.
Yeah, it's dark. Why is it dark?
Well, kind of. I don't know what I'm doing. I'm just walking in Ikea.
What are you talking about?
I don't know what should
Some
we do.
people are staring at us.
I don't care. Let's sit here. Never mind. So right now, my sister is singing, and I'm gonna record her without she knowing. So I'm gonna record her, and she will not know. So I'm gonna tell her continue singing. I'm not filming, but I will film her. Continue singing. I'm not filming. Don't worry.
I feel it. I know I can treat you.
Nice.
My voice is horrible because I'm filming you.
Oh my god, I swear I was filming you all that time. Yeah. Success.
So guys, I'm gonna get back my sister. She caught me while singing, so I am going to get her back while scaring her. I'm going to scare my sister right now. She is right here looking. So yeah. Boom! Oh my
You
god.
scared me to death.
Well, I got you
Are you
back.
filming?
Yes, I am.
You scared me to death, and I'm not even joking.
Oh my god.
She scared me to death. Oh my god. Mister. Leia. Why does she not answer? Leia, you scared me to death. My heart is pounding so fast. I don't want to run.
dance song. I just love singing. So guys, I am going to run from my sister. She is actually calling me right now. Yeah, you can hear her. She is calling me, but I'm going to run away from her. Haha. I don't want. Okay. What do you want to tell me?
Nothing.
Oh my god. Yeah, I am. Ow! Who else thinks Ikea is like an airport?
What?
I think Ikea is like an airport.
Yeah, they like talk on the microphone.
Yeah.
And
If you think Ikea is like an airport, comment down
if you know
below.
Ikea though.
And if you
comment.
if you want like if you enjoy our videos. I dare you to subscribe and like. I dare you to subscribe in 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, done. And I dare you to press that notification button beside the subscribe
5
button. Seconds. And like 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, done. Hope you did it. So we're going to wash our hands because we still didn't wash our hands. Where are you going? Wait from. No, not this way. This way.
Oh yeah.
I don't know Ikea. It's so big. Oh my god. Ikea is so confusing. Oh my god. Go into the bathroom. Oh god. Why are we running? I have no idea. Come on. So we're just in the bathroom and we finished. Yeah. This is so weird. Why are we even vlogging in the bathroom? So finally we got out of this bathroom and we're back. We're back and we're better. We might bring a garbage bin for our playroom and we're just looking downstairs, by the way. So we're gonna bring the white garbage bin. We're gonna bring the white garbage bin for our playroom. And it's only $5. What? Put it on me.
5 riyal.
Oh my god.
Come in black.
We're gonna bring a white and a black garbage bin. We're gonna bring two. One for our playroom and the white one is for our playroom and the black one is for our mom and dad's room. Oh, you hurt my shoulder.
Come.
These containers are very good for making giant slimes. These are actually real. They smell amazing. Oh my god.
I just think these are fake.
No,
Wait,
they're not.
did you know? Did you know?
No.
Swear that you didn't.
No. Wait, and the soil looks
Real.
fake.
No, it looks real.
I don't know, but let's smell some candles.
Oh my god, yes.
Oh, it's,
but we
it's
can smell
Scotch
it.
deep.
Oh my god, it smells so good.
It's blackberry.
Oh, it smells good.
Let's
Wow.
smell the red one.
It's not that good, but it's
It's strawberry. It's even better.
good.
And there is the white one. It's ice cream.
Ew. It smells so good. It's like vanilla ice cream.
Ew, no, I hate the
And
smell.
there is the purple one.
Oh, it's a blackberry.
Oh.
So we just have a trolley right here.
cart.
A cart.
Oh my god, what is this?
What is this? It's just a spoon. An ice cream scooper. It's
Oh,
not that nice.
I'm gonna vlog my sister without you knowing again.
She can't stop.
Leia, I'm filming you.
What are these?
Where are you? Oh my god.
Oh my god, these containers are so
Why
nice.
are you just so addicted to containers?
Like for slime.
These are not that nice to me.
I can't even hold them. These are like good for school. Maybe we're
Yeah.
gonna get them.
Why
So-
are we doing this?
This is the worst angle ever.
But we couldn't find.
Oh my god, guys, look at these cute containers. They are really cute actually. Look. They open from two Ow, they open from two sides. It's perfect for one side. I don't know, but they're nice. These are the weirdest sponges ever. I'm gonna tickle you. So soon we're gonna end this vlog because I don't have enough started. But not now.
In the car it goes.
We brought containers and garbage bin to now. So my sister actually doesn't know that I'm vlogging. She thinks that I'm not filming. Hey. I wasn't concentrating. This couch is so comfy. We planned what to say. So my sister is going to try to climb here till here because it's actually high but it looks in camera low. Yalla, come on. Oh my god, you did it! Oh my god, you're actually sitting on the couch. Look. Okay, let me jump. Oh my god. So we're actually going to end this vlog, sorry. But please give us a huge fat big thumb up and subscribe. Bye. By the way, we got a cat. Maybe we're gonna film a video like of our new pet and we're gonna get her this comfy pillow. Now actually, goodbye.